Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into another video on the Capri Tools website. They have a lot of great tools for great prices. All the tools that I've got from them over the last couple years I've really enjoyed, never really had any issues with, and I think the pricing for a lot of the stuff is spot on. You get some good deals. They have a rewards program as well. I want to say the math adds up to 5% rewards, so when you spend $100 you get 5 back in rewards that you can spend later on. So like they have an example on here, every $300 you spend, you get $15 back. So I've went over basically everything before this, such as tool bundle sets, monthly promos, new releases, torque tools, ratchets, and sockets, and now we're on wrenches. So getting into this, they have some deep offsets, a few different sizes here. You can see you can get it with the foam insert organizers, or you can get them by themselves. So the smaller set coming in at 99 all the way up to 150. You can get these in both metric and SAE. So if you just want to see kind of a closer up look at them, they do seem very clean, well designed. Then you can get them individually, and then they have their long double box end wrenches. They are not ratcheting wrenches, they're just your 12-point box ends, as you can see here. I've heard good things about them. I'm thinking about picking up a set. I have the Easy Red and Tecton, a couple from Tecton. I have a whole set from Easy Red and a whole set from Gear Wrench, the 120 XPs. And those are all ratcheting. These are just the standard box ends. So I might pick up a set just to review, but I've heard really good things on them, and they have a few different size sets as well as them being sold individually. Here's one of their wrench sets for $110. I do like the foam tray. Now that's going to be hit or miss with people. Some people like the foam organizers, and some people don't. Sometimes they tend to take up a little bit too much space, and then sometimes you got to decide whether or not space savings is your goal or organization. If you have the space for it, these organizers are fantastic. Here's a little bit larger set, 6 through 24, and that is going to be no skips. It's out of stock right now, but when you watch the video, it may be back in stock for $120. And then you even get the size so you can kind of plan out your drawer. Then they have their ultra thin or super thin flat wrenches. Another one, this one seems to, they seem to do a pretty good job of trying to keep the wrenches pretty tight in order to save space and not take up too much space. Some companies will use a ridiculous amount of space in these foam trays. So I like that they kept everything as close as possible. And here you have both metric and SAE. And those are going to be your thin wrenches, or you can get them on the rail. Then they have their wave drive, kind of like special teeth or a special design constructed. It's for removing stripped bolts up to 90% rounded. So here you can kind of see the design that they have. It kind of looks like an easy out socket. And a couple companies have used this design or similar to it. Here they have stubby wrenches, metric and SAE. Nice little kit. It's up there a little bit in price as far as this set, $150. All these are wave drive. SAE super thin flat wrenches. They're ratcheting wrenches. These are 100 tooth flex heads, and they are color coordinated, so the metric are going to have the blue ring around it. Here's a reversible ratcheting wrench. You can kind of see this is their wave drive design as far as their ratcheting wrenches. So metric and SAE, 135 for the SAE and 160 for the metric. And then here you see their 12-point metric ratcheting wrenches, flex heads, SAE being red. Reversible ratcheting wrenches. It's that wave drive again. individuals. So they definitely have a good lineup of wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, flex head wrenches, as you can see here. So a good lineup from Capri. They have nice chrome. I have a set of Capri wrenches I've had for a couple years now, and they've held up very well. No issues with the chrome plating, no issues with the open jaws spreading or anything like that. I've had really good experiences with them. So another good thing is I've never had to warranty a product, but everybody that I do know that has unfortunately had to warranty a product has had a good experience and an easy experience with Capri. Just like Tecton, Capri is also a no hassle warranty, so that's fantastic. A good company that's starting to expand and expand, has grown a lot since I've been following them the last couple years, and I'm really excited to see them continue growing and continue bringing more tools. And I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have used Capri tools, please share your thoughts down in the comments of any tools that you guys have used. Other than that, if you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.